Welcome to the future of cooking. Today, I'm counting down 5 futuristic cooking gadgets that will revolutionize your kitchen. From smart appliances to robotic assistants, these innovations will make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Coming in at number 5, we have a smart slow cooker that can be controlled via your smartphone. Imagine being able to schedule cooking times, monitor temperatures, and receive notifications when your meal is ready, all from the palm of your hand. No more guesswork, just perfectly cooked meals every time. At number 4, we have a robotic assistant that can chop, slice, and dice ingredients for you. This machine is like having your own personal sous chef. It can prepare entire meals with minimal human intervention, saving you time and effort. Just set it up and let it do the hard work. 3 takes us to an induction cooking surface that can heat up to 500 degrees Celsius in seconds. This energy-efficient technology allows for precise temperature control and faster cooking times. Whether you're searing a steak or simmering a sauce, this induction surface has got you covered. Say goodbye to long preheating times and hello to instant heat. At number 2, we have a smart oven equipped with AI that can recognize the food you're cooking and adjust temperatures accordingly. This oven ensures perfect doneness every time, making it almost impossible to overcook or undercook your meals. It's like having a culinary expert right in your kitchen. And the #1 futuristic cooking gadget is a molecular gastronomy machine. This device can create intricate dishes like spherified ravioli and foie gras lollipops with ease. It's perfect for those who love to experiment with their cooking and want to take their culinary skills to the next level. There you have it. 5 futuristic cooking gadgets that will transform your kitchen. From smart appliances to robotic assistants, these innovations will make cooking more efficient, enjoyable, and creative. Thanks for watching.